If you get caught out on the job site or a challenging trail after dark, having reliable lighting can mean the difference between getting stuck and possibly damaging your ride or making it home safely. I think I'm good. Race Sport has made these amazing amber and white rock lights that will help you light up even the most challenging terrain, all while looking badass. And they can be mounted to a variety of different vehicles, so even your side-by-side will look like a UFO. These lights offer both solid and strobing patterns, so whether you're on or off the road, we're going to see you. This kit comes with 8 amber and white flashing lights that can be discreetly mounted in your wheel wells. You can mount 2 lights per wheel, giving you maximum visibility. So whether you're on the trails or the job site, these lights will ensure that you're seen and safe.